And today I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of using Hypotenuse AI. Now, it's going to be a clear and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons. So let's get started. Now, in the aspect of time efficiency, the pro of using Hypotenuse AI is that it greatly speeds up bulk writing for blogs, product description, and social posts. But the con is that it requires an onboarding phase to fine-tune the AI and learn features. Now, when it comes to the SEO and content quality, yes, it has a built-in SEO tool, content detective, pergamenity checker, and consistent brand voice, which is a pro. But the con is that the SEO features may not replace expert strategy. Factual accuracy sometimes need manual review. Now, when it comes to scalability and integrations, the pro is that Hypotenuse AI is great for bulk generation, multi-language support, and it integrates with Shopify, WordPress, and Webflow. But the con is that the pricing may be steep for small businesses, and the credit system can confuse users. Now, if we look at additional features of Hypotenuse, you see that the tools for images like HypoArt, batch generation, and HypoChat content repurposing. It has those additional tools for images, which is HypoArt. It has batch generation, it has HypoChat, and it has content repurposing. But the con is that the image generator sometimes is inconsistent and the template is limited for niche industries. Now, if you look at its ease of use, Hypotenuse AI is user-friendly, it has a user-friendly UI and intuitive workflow. The con is that the full feature set comes with a modest learning curve. In summary, it is fast and scalable. That is, it's ideal for generating large volumes of quality, brand-aligned SEO optimized content. When it comes to rich tooling, yes, it offers collage features like image generation, pergamenity checks, brand voice modeling, and integration. It also has a seamless workflow, for example, easy UI and support for multiple platforms and languages. But you need to watch out for human oversight that is needed. That is, the edits may be required for niche topics or to correct factual errors. You also need to watch out for cost and credit system because it can be pricey for small teams. Credit usage can also be confusing. Lastly, watch out for template limitations. It may lack depth for specialized or creative content types. Now, what do users say? Users say it is a reliable, it's an expletive game changer. It is an expletive game changer. Research plus paraphrasing tool. It's really amazed the user, and the user experience is pretty amazing. So, why don't you give it a try and let us know what you think?